Here's an idea for you. Why don't you get paid to share your experiences online with Intellizoom? Yeah, that's right. Your opinion matters, and you get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on products you love and care about when you join the Intellizoom user experience panel. So why would you join Intellizoom? Well, you get paid quickly and easily. And it's perfect if you're saving up for something or looking for that bit of extra spending money. And by influencing product experiences, you can make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today, by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products. And best of all, it only takes about 15 to 20 minutes to give your feedback, and you can participate in studies remotely, on your schedule, and you can work from home or on the go using your own device. So here are some popular panel questions. How quickly can I start taking tests? So as soon as you submit a sample study, whether it be for a desktop, mobile or both, and your studies are approved. This might happen in just a few days. How much money do I make on Intellizoom? Well, payments depend on the complexity of the study. For studies that record your Think Out Loud audio and video, you can expect to make around $10 on average. For standard surveys, the payment is around about $5. And most studies take an average of 10 to 20 minutes. So when do I get my money? Well, payments will be sent out within 21 business days after completion of the study to the PayPal email listed in your profile. Most results are approved within 3 to 5 days. And how many invitations will I receive? Well, the number of opportunities you receive depends on your demographics and quality rating. And how old do I need to be? Well, all participants must be at least 18 years or older. So go ahead and sign up for Intellizoom. Currently this offer is only available in the United States and the United Kingdom. So get paid to share your experiences in exchange for money. Anyway, that's all I've got time for today. Please subscribe and bye for now.